To fix the Bosch washing machine error code F17, it is essential to understand what the code means. The F17 error code indicates a problem with the washing machine's drain system, specifically a blockage or kink in the drain hose. This can cause the machine to malfunction and prevent it from draining properly. First, check the drain hose for any kinks or blockages. Make sure it is not twisted or crushed, and that it is properly connected to the washing machine and the drain pipe. If you find any kinks or blockages, straighten or remove them to ensure proper water flow. Next, check the drain pump filter for any debris or blockages. The filter is usually located at the bottom of the washing machine, and it can be accessed by removing the bottom panel. Clean out any debris or dirt that may be clogging the filter, and make sure it is properly secured. If the problem persists, check the drain hose for any signs of damage or wear. If the hose is damaged, it may need to be replaced. Additionally, check the washing machine's drain pump for any signs of malfunction. If the pump is not working properly, it may need to be replaced. To prevent future occurrences of the F17 error code, make sure to regularly check and clean the drain hose and filter. It is also a good idea to run a cleaning cycle on the washing machine every few months to remove any built-up debris and detergent residue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Bosch washing machine error code F17 and get your machine running properly again. Remember to always refer to your user manual for specific instructions on how to access and clean the drain hose and filter on your particular model. Regular maintenance can help prevent errors and extend the life of your washing machine.